Saturday the what?
The 21st of February.
Pretty sure it's the 22nd.
Oh, it is the 22nd.
Ah,
Whoopsies.
I win. So Steffi is building her bike right now. She just got here yesterday.
You didn't tell me it's summer here.
And we're gonna go and see what she's up to. Filming a little video here.
We're gonna start unpacking because we have to leave in 15 minutes.
So do you think you can unpack this in 15 minutes?
Oh,
Yeah?
I definitely can. Super easy. I mean, see, just take the wheels out. I took a bit of air out the wheels because this is actually a lot now. And they just left my air out. I didn't do that. All the tubeless milk everywhere, and we don't have a pump for like with pressure. I don't leave all the air out. But they at the airport they sometimes just I didn't do that.
Yeah.
So I don't think that the mini pump will help.
No. So should we go to the bike shop?
Let me see. I don't think so.
Oh no! It's dripping! Don't make a mess. Go on the grass. Go on the grass. There goes our damage deposit.
Makes me look like I do this for the first time, but it actually never happened to me before. So everything is like, what do we do now?
I told Hannah that we were probably going to be late, realistically. So do you think you can unpack this in 15 minutes?
Oh,
Yeah?
I definitely can.
I'm going to see if she replied. But we can go to the bike shop.
I just never, that's just, why does this happen now?
It's going to be okay, Steffi. Okay, we're going to load the bikes up and then we can see what time it is and then we can make a decision. Yeah, it's 9:30 already, so. All right.
Perfect.
I'm like really sweaty now. Wonder how long it'll take. We have to be there in 8 minutes. It's definitely not an 8-minute drive.
That's the stinky plume.
Yeah, it's a bike race today.
What?
She's enduro.
Do the plant. Come on, do the plant. Plant a car. Into this
No, we're
plant.
not gonna be able to get the bikes out then.
This is our place. It's big enough for women.
What?
I heard it's super slippery here when it's raining.
Yeah, it is.
It is super slippery.
But it's perfect for my first ride in New Zealand.
Now we're gonna go meet Hannah and go for a little rip.
Do we have 3 more minutes?
Oh my God.
I kind of got this wrong.
I'm going over here. Just come over here. We need to meet Hannah. What are you doing?
Mechanicals.
We're almost there though. We're finally gonna meet up with Hannah.
Oh, mine is doing it as well. Oh my god.
Oh my goodness, you guys are train wrecks.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Very fast down the hill. Oh, it is. Whew. It is a jungle. What is a shinny dip?
Sure. The foot hug.